Pero muntik na talaga mag-traveling yun. It's very close. You could have called it for a traveling by Wills because I think he left his feet, no? And then he came down on it. So.
And Willie Miller will try his luck for every free throw line. You've known him a long time. What none of the fans get a kick out of it. His attitude is life is so easy, and basketball is so easy for Willie Miller.
He's a very talented basketball player, and he has a very nice, outgoing nature. Very good to the fans. Actually, you like him in practice, mabiruin yan, you know. And he likes to talk to people. So, masarap na kasama si Willie, actually, sa totoo lang. Si Cyrus is more of an introvert yan.
Tahimik yan. Sa court na lang nagsasalita. Si Willie, pag nag-career ng movie dyan, baka pwede pa yan. And the meantime, LA Tenorio gets busy, and Alaska finally gets its first field goal.
Well, LA Tenorio is 1 out of 3 from the field, but he needed to do something there to get his team started here.
In the meantime, shot clock now coming down to bare minimum. They'll have to fire something offline.
Well, it's a good setup job done there by Willie Miller para kay J.J. Helterbrand, pero hindi siya makakonvert. So far, nobody's been able to hit a 3-point shot here. There have been 4 attempts already from that area.
Shake and bake.
And Cyrus Baguio shows why the Alaska Aces are very, very happy that he has come to their fold. Nice seal there by Eric Menk, but Helterbrand couldn't throw the ball down to him.
Alam mo yan ang nagpapa-excite ng crowd ng Cebuano eh.
You see kilos-kilos ni Cyrus na ganyan.
Yung mga showtime na from the era pa ni Jojo Lastimosa, di ba?
Well, you go back along a couple more years, he was also a guy that came for the PBA 35th anniversary, si Danny Florencio. He probably was the best for his height in making those kind of shots underneath the basket or go to the basket hard. No?
Yung humihiga sa ilalim ng goal, eh, no?
A nice seal here, but there's going to be a holding foul called against Eric Menk, said.
Yep, Menk guilty of his first, and Danny Florencio, those 2 free throws in 1967 against Korea. Can't forget that. That was a radio coverage I was listening to.
Well, marami siya. He also played for the 6 feet and under.
That tournament sa Spain.
No, it happened in Bangkok, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi kakampi niya doon sila Papa. Saka si the brother of Tommy Manotoc. That's why I know that very well.
Okay.
Si Billy Manotoc.
Okay. In the meantime, under the basket we go. And it's an excellent feed to Foss, who finds his way to the basket, and Alaska grabs the lead.
Well, it's a difficult situation to play here because this is not an air-conditioned place. And it's very, very warm in there. No? It's very enclosed. Kaya talagang medyo aabutin ka ng pawis dyan. And sometimes it's really draining to the players.
They have no idea. Katatwalya mo lang. Mga pawis na naman eh.
Another triangle play. Post going to Sunny Toss.
Saka makitid ang sideline dito.
Well, that's true. Between the benches of where nakaupo ang mga players and the coaches at saka yung mismong playing court, medyo masikip na dyan. Pero medyo na-refurbish na konti yung flooring yan.
Kasi yung if you want to try to save the ball from going out pa, itatama ka ng advertising yan. In the meantime, this shot will work. Nicely done by Menk, who's healthy. His confidence is there.
Well, everybody is hoping he doesn't break down because he has had to push himself early here, no, for the team to be respectable in their team standing. And alley-oop backdoor play, pero hindi nasalo ni Diamond Simpson.
Ingat si Diamond dyan sa pababang rampa dyan, ha?
Tsaka medyo magiging madulas yan later on, you will see.
In the meantime, we go slowly, and both teams actually are playing a little cautiously at this point. We're tied at 6. There's a strong drive to the basket. A little wild on the final toss that time by Hatfield. Durant's looking inside. Excellent seal, but it goes through the fingertips of Toss.
A good help coming from Hatfield from the weak side.
That won't work. In the meantime, Baguio trying to accelerate, decides to slow down. The shot from the corner, it will not work for Simpson.
So far, wala pa tayong contribution sa dalawang imports dito.
Wala pa.
Hirap talaga sa kanila mag-adjust niyan. Talagang all of a sudden, playing in the comforts of Araneta or anywhere here in Metro Manila. Suddenly, ugod ang inis dito. Pero ang crowd naman dyan, talagang basketball crowd. Nice pass there to Toss. Another steal by Hatfield of the clumsy hands of Toss.
Nice 3-on-1 situation. That will crawl inside.
Yan ngayon ang nagagawa ni J.J. Helterban. Parang puro assist na muna ang ginagawa niya. Hindi siya masyado naghahanap ng kanyang tira.
And we will slide into our first timeout, and we'll use it. It's a 30-second timeout. And of course, 30-second timeouts brought to you by Handy Fix. Ang first aid ng bahay mo. Banzol Seals.
Alan Colbert there talking in the background. One of the assistant coaches. Malapit na rin ang rainy season. Hopefully, it will be before the middle of June.
Oo naman. And palo tayo 39-40.
And hopefully, walang mga tuloy yung mga bubong nyo. Kaya ako, inaantay ko sa matchup. Hindi naman natin kasi alam na may tuloy.
Alam ka naman tiligan mo.
Hindi. Unang-una, kailangan magtipid tayo ng tubig. And a good drive down the middle because he comes in as a thriller for Ambers. Ito na si ating kaibigan.
Sino yung...
Si Yayo Alcaceta.
Yung may hawak ng cellphone, ano?
Hindi, at saka si Willie Marcial, of course. At saka si Boyte na nababanggit natin. All of these si member yan ng JCI ng Metro Cebu.
Kala ko ba hanggang third quarter? Diba? Sige na, andyan
Pero ako sa ano magagawain ko.
Third quarter sana, hindi na sana babanggitin.
Kausap ni Willie lahat ng mga cameraman dyan.
Oo nga pala. Patay tayo dyan. Pag sumenya sa kumpare, focus nyo. Patay tayo dyan.
A good smile on his part.
A loyal, hard-working man of the PBA ever since. Turnaround shot that will not bite and lands into the hands of Alaska. Or Ginebra, rather.
Ginebra.
So nalilito pa rin ako sa leader ko minsan. In the meantime, there's a good follow-up and the energy of Hatfield makes it 10-6.
Well, Hatfield has 4 points in the ball game right now. 2 out of 3 from the field, both on layups here. So a good start here for the Barangay Ginebra Kings. Like I said, very important game to get 7-4. You'll be in third place right now, and you don't know if you'll be tied with Derby Ace tomorrow or not, but at least you're in third place.
Coke continues to have its own problems, sliding 6 straight games now.
That bad ball slip.
Yep. Up. Don't. You may not want to try that here.
Yeah, alam mo, I think the players are going to be worried just running up. That looks like a foul, yeah. But Willie had a shot there. He didn't have to pass that. Willie could have gotten that off the board. I think he really wanted to feed off to Eric Mink, who, by the way, was named of the PBA Press Player of the Week last week.
And deservedly so. I think this is going to be a full timeout. And we'll use it.
It doesn't get any better than this.
Okay, a chance to watch your favorite PBA players live. Just text in Solar Space PBA Space mystery keyword, Miko Halili's favorite word, of course, and send to 2600 for a chance to win tickets to the games. That's the mystery keyword. And of course, our amigo natin diri sa Cebu. This is right in the heart of the city, mind you.
Yeah, it is. So, medyo mahirap dumaan dyan. The cordon of mahirap mag-parking dyan. So, I've always asked, maybe I'll ask again.
Sige.
Governor Glenn, gumawa ka naman ng magandang koalisyon dyan. I think it's second term na niya. You probably will win a third term. You have all the time to make one. Daming lugar niyan. Sayang ang pagkakataon. I remember the PGA took a hiatus from going to Cebu for many years. Obviously, mayroon paghanap ng sponsors. But without a collision, it's just like the NBA, di ba? Some teams, or even baseball, they fold up if they don't have a new collision there or a new ballpark. They don't want to continue the club there.
At saka dito, lalo na sa Cebu, ang daming foreign acts dumadaan dito.
Mahilig dyan. Yung shot for concerts. And Eric Mink working like a... I didn't want to say working like a dog, but that's exactly what he's doing.
That's exactly like, but he's going to sleep like a log like later on tonight. And that is 4 points already for the major. Nebra doing a good job trying to get into the passing lanes, but they're beaten with a dribble by Toss.
Nice pick and roll. Good assist pass there coming from LA Tenorio. Nice bounce. Exactly right to the hands of a moving Sonny Toss. Open shot for Eric Mack. And he hits the first 3-point shot of this ball game. 7 points in the ball game na dito para kay Eric Mack. Pero kung tignan lang mo siya, parang pagod na pagod. Hapon-hapon.
Oo.
Pero ganun pa rin ang laro niya.
Yung tindi ng init kasi rin no? Samantala sa kabilang panig mukhang foul yata.
Yeah, Eric Meng came into the picture, blacked off against Simpson.